Yo, what is up guys? Andy here, back again with another video. So today, I'm going to be going over one of the best strategies to either pass an evaluation account or bring a funded account back to life if you screw up after getting a payout. And here, I have 5 50K funded accounts from Topstep, which I kind of screwed up because after I took a payout, took some trades, didn't work out. I had a really small drawdown, so we're gonna try and revive it, right? So basically, what we're doing here is we're sitting here a minute and 20 seconds before the CPI hits. Okay, so you guys want to have your position tool out and have it marked out to like 28 to 30 points. Okay, and then once you do that, you want a buy stop above the price and a sell stop below. So what we're trying to do is give the CPI candle a little bit of breathing room, let it go up, and then once it picks a direction, it keeps going up, and we have a liquidation level already set. And I'm doing this on 2 minis, and I've done this for the past 4 months, and it's always hit. But there is a 10% chance that this might not work. So we gotta lock in here, okay? 30 seconds away, so we can start dragging our tool now. And I have my buddy Lunix with me, so if you guys hear extra noise, it'd be that motherfucker right there. So I'm dragging it now, okay? And then just 28 points, buy stop, sell stop, right to the edge, and then we just hope and pray that it doesn't do any nastiness. So 7 seconds here, adjusting just a little bit more. There we go.
Not exactly 1500, but 1400.
Cool. There we go. We just made oh my god, we brought these accounts back from the fucking dead here live. Okay. You know how much money I just made today, guys? We just made $1,800 times 5. Oh no, one of the accounts didn't hit properly and it liquidated for 464, but the other 4 accounts we hit for 1774. Oh, that is so sad. Wait a minute, it's a glitch. It's a fucking glitch. Wait, we hit it on all of them. Oh, wait. Rookie fucking mistake. Oh my god. Oh no, rookie mistake. One of the accounts... Wait, this has to be a glitch somehow.
Was not linked?
Because,
Wasn't linked?
yeah, no, I got it. I hit it, right? But the profit target, it only, see, the copy trader was on, right? But for some reason, there was like a $155 take profit set on it, but it was copy traded. So it shouldn't follow those rules. So unfortunately, this account is not dead anymore, or it's still tradable and everything, right? But we only made 464 on it instead of 1774. So, which is the unfortunate part. But I checked this like 100% yesterday. But something must be going wrong with that account. So let's just fix it for next CPI. And yeah, so how this works, right? Like CPI, it drives the market, okay? So yesterday, as you might have seen, we had a huge run up, then a sell off, then run back up, right? And the market consolidates like nothing happens in Asia. And this is very, very common the days right before CPI. Buy the hype, sell the news, right? So we bought the hype and we sold the news, we came back up and we sold the news again, and we were hanging out at around the 50% retracement during Asia, right? And the market waits for news, and then we wait, and we use the news to bring the accounts back from the dead, pretty much. And this strategy, it works for prop firms that have 1 day pass, so like Apex. So last Apex, I passed 17 out of the 20 Apex accounts. And the 3 failures were due to my own error, because instead of clicking the exit market and close all button, I clicked the sell button and I got into some sell positions. So while some of the accounts it auto liquidated, like the one here, it liquidated me $26 away, bro, from my take profit. So I hit 45 points exactly with the fees. So it took about 20 seconds. Usually it takes a little bit, but I was scared that, you know, it was going to reverse or whatever, but the news just took like an extra, you know, like 10, 15 seconds to completely digest for that move. But yeah, so next CPI, hopefully that the other account will, well, I'm still going to have that account because I'm not going to trade on it, but I'm only going to trade on the other 4 and hit it with CPI again and probably take like a huge payout from them. So yeah, so if you have accounts that are near failing, just do not trade them. Just take a break and come back with CPI and place your stop limits exactly like I told you. 30 points above the current price, 30 points below. You can do 28 as well, 27, 28, 29, 30. That seems to be the sweet spot, and you can revive the accounts. And if you have firms like Apex, Lucid, Bullnox, you can use a strategy to pass an evaluation within 1 day, but you have to use your complete margin to do so. So you would go in with 7 contracts, 30 points up, 30 points down. It's up to you how you want to do it, but you can do it on all sorts of account sizes, but you just got to be careful and do the calculation on higher valued accounts like the 100K, 150K accounts, and see how many points it would take if you're using max contracts to pass those accounts, and make sure it's not something crazy, because my funded futures, for example, lets you trade 4 minis, I believe. I'm not sure, but it's just not enough to hit it completely. Well, since they also have 50% rule, 50% consistency rule in their evals, so I wouldn't recommend it with my funded futures. But yeah, you could still use it to pass half, but you would have to wait until the next CPI to pass the remaining half, or you are responsible for making the remaining amount to pass. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.